How are you, my dear students? Hope all you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIEBS Home School. This is Amir Uddin, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, Morning Shift, National Ideal English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to take a math class for the students of class 1. Our today's topic, fill in the blanks, part 1. Dear students, this is lesson number 19 and SW number 19 also. Today we will solve fill in the blanks 1 to 13. That means total 13 fill in the blanks today we will solve. At first, one number, add 5 tens to 7 ones. 5 tens means 50. And 7 1 means 7 ones are 7. Then if we add 50 with 7, then it will be 57. So that answer of first number will be 57. Now two number, what comes just after 158? That means next number of 158. We know that after 58, 59 will come, so that next number of 158 will be 159. 159. Now three number, how many days are there in a week? It's very easy. You know that 1 week is equal to 7 days. 7 days make 1 week. So 1 week equal to 7 days. Now four number, what comes just before 71? Before 71 means previous number of 71. So that previous number of 71, it will be 70. After 70, 71 will come. So previous number will be 70. 70. Now five number, 25 minus dash equal to 20. For getting 20, which number we have to subtract from 25? It's very easy. If we subtract 5 from 25, then we can get 20. And if we subtract this 20 from this 25, we can get the answer. So it will be 5. Now sixth number, how many tens? It's y. Many. How many tens are in 69? In tens place, here 6 exists. 9 is in ones place, and 6 is in tens place. So how many tens? 6 tens. Answer will be 6. Now 70 is 7 number, expand 49. Here in tens place 4 exists and in ones place 9 exists. If we expand, then it will be 4 tens are 40 plus in ones place 9 exists, 9 ones are 9. That means 40 plus 9. If we add 40 with 9, then we can get 49. Now 8 number, how many wheels do 6 bicycle have? We know that in one bicycle there are 2 wheels. In one bicycle there are 2 wheels. In another one bicycles, another 2 wheels. Another bicycles, another 2 wheels. In another bicycles, another 2 wheels. In another bicycles, another 2 wheels. In another bicycles, another 2 wheels. Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bicycles. Now we count total how many wheels exist here. 2 plus 2 equal to 4. 4 plus 2 equal to 6. 6 plus 2 equal to 8. 8 plus 2 equal to 10, and 10 plus 2 equal to 12. So total number of wheels will be 12. And in shortcut, in easily, if we multiply 6 by 2 also, then we can get the answer. 6 2s are 12. Now 9 number, 6 plus 12 plus 2 equal to what? At first 6 plus 12, this is equal to 18, and 18 plus 2, this is equal to 20. So answer will be 20. Now 10 number 24 plus 16, this is equal to what? If we add 4 plus 4 with 6, we will use rough here. 24 plus 16, 4 plus 6 equal to 10. From 10 we will write 0, carrying 1, 1 plus 1 2, and 2 plus 2, this is equal to 4. So answer will be 40. 40. Now 11 number 105 minus 5 equal to what? Very easy. If we subtract 5 from 105, then answer will be 100. Now 12 number 25 plus dash equal to 30. For getting 30, which number we have to add with 25? Very easy. If we add 5 with 25, then we can get 30. And for getting answer, we have to subtract this 25 from 30. 30 minus 25, this is equal to 5. So answer will be 5. Now 13 number, expand 348. Here in ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Highest place is hundreds place. In 100 place 3 exists. So at the time of expanding, we will write 300 plus in tens place 4 exists. So 4 tens are 40. Plus in ones place 8 exists, 8 ones are 8. If we add 300 with 40 plus 8, then we can get 348. Dear students, we have finished our today's CWO. I think you have understood today's class. You have to practice more and more at home. Now I am giving you SWO. Our today's SWO number is 19 number SWO, and topic of today's SWO is fill in the blanks 1 to 13. Dear students, do your SW properly and submit on next Saturday. Stay home, stay safe, obey your parents' order. Thank you for watching the class. Allah Hafiz.